Stop making s'mores. 5 real meals you can cook on your fire pit. Hey everyone, welcome back to Viana Home Channel. All right, let's talk about your fire pit. You love it, it's cozy, and if you're like most people, you've used it for exactly one thing: s'mores. Don't get me wrong, I love a good s'more, but your fire pit is so much more than a marshmallow toaster. It is a full-on outdoor cooking machine. It's a primal wood-fired oven just waiting to be used. And honestly, food cooked over an open fire just hits different. So today, we're going to stop making s'mores, at least until dessert. Here are 5 real meals you can and should be cooking on your fire pit. Number 1, foil packet dinners. This is the easiest, most versatile meal ever. You just chop up your ingredients, think shrimp, sliced sausage, potatoes, onions, peppers, a little olive oil, some seasoning. You wrap it all up tight in a heavy-duty aluminum foil packet, and you just set it right on the hot embers. About 15 to 20 minutes later, you have a perfectly steamed, smoky, delicious meal. And the best part? Zero cleanup. You just throw the foil away. Number 2, the Dutch oven classics. You need one of these. A cast iron Dutch oven is a fire pit's best friend. You can make anything in this. Think a big hearty batch of chili, a rustic beef stew. You can even bake in it. A peach cobbler with the heat from the embers below and a few hot coals piled on the lid. It's insane. Number 3, open fire steaks or burgers. This is simple. All you need is a heavy-duty grill grate that you can set right over the top of your pit. Get that fire roaring, let it die down to a perfect bed of glowing hot embers, and then you put that steak on. That sound, that sear, that wood smoke flavor is something your gas grill just can't replicate. Number 4, the obvious one: hot dogs and brats. Okay, this one is simple, but don't overlook it. We're not talking about boiled hot dogs. We're talking about a fire-roasted hot dog with that perfect, snappy, slightly charred skin. Get a long roasting stick, and you're in business. It's a classic for a reason. Number 5, spider dogs. Want to be a hero to your kids? Take that hot dog, and before you put it on the stick, cut the last inch or so into quarters on both ends. As it cooks over the fire, the ends curl up and get crispy, and it looks like a spider. It's a classic campfire hack, and it's 100% more fun. So next time, plan to eat dinner around the fire. It's a blast. Got any other fire pit recipes? I want to hear them. Drop them in the comments. And if you're hungry for more smart home and backyard ideas, make sure you subscribe to the Viana Home Channel.